Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today is just a quick tip. We're going to be doing how to play the intro of Obaapa Christy's song memma werenfi for your church ministrations and other stuff. We're going to be using two tones or three. The first section is going to be flute, the second section is going to be brass, and then the third section is just going to be piano for your backing. But for the sake of today's video, I'm just going to use piano throughout. The most important thing is that you know how the chords are formed and how to play it. I'm going to be playing it in the key of F, in the key of F for you. So if this is your first time chancing upon this channel, I want you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I want you to raise your thumbs up, like this video, and also comment if this video goes well with you, or comment the next session that you want me to do. Now let's head over to our video. So let's do a breakdown of the intro we play. So the opening intro goes like this. So it goes like la do la so la so fa mi do re mi ti do. La do la so la so fa mi re mi ti do. You get the surface now. La do la so fa, la do la so la so fa mi do re mi ti do. I hope you get the surface now. La do la so la so fa mi do re mi ti do. So now the original intro, we are going to be making use of inversions. We are going to be making use of inversions. It goes like do fa so do. So the do, this inversion, the fa, this inversion, the so, this inversion, and then the do again, this inversion. So that's the first line. It goes like, you play it twice. Do fa so do, like that. Do fa so do. Do fa so do, like that. Like that. So like that, that's the first section, and then after do fa so do, then you come do so fa do. So the second line goes like do so fa so. So this do, this so, fa so. So like that. So we start from do fa so do so fa so. Do fa so do so fa so, like that. Then the next one is like this. la sol la sol fa, 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 la sol la sol fa. So like that, la sol fa, la sol fa. Practice it. La sol fa, la sol fa, la sol fa, la sol fa. So the first one again, do fa fa so do. Then the second one, do so fa so, do so fa so. Then the third one, la sol fa, la sol fa, la sol fa, la sol fa. If you have come this far, I want you to hit that subscribe button. If this is your first time, I want you to like this video, and I want you to comment how far is it going. Am I too fast? Am I too slow with it? Is it clear for you, or you need an update on something else? So let's take it again from the first one. Do fa fa so do so fa so, do fa fa so do so fa so. Then la sol fa, la sol fa, la sol fa, la sol fa. Then the next one we have, so the fourth one we are going to be looking at after do fa fa so do so fa so, la sol fa, la sol fa. Then we have fa do, like that version. Fa, do is do, and then this fa do, fa do. So let's take it all over again from the beginning. Do fa so do so fa so, la sol fa, la sol fa, fa do fa do. Then now we have do fa do, this inversion. See that? We are going to play that do in the root position, do, then fa do, like that. You can play it another way, but this is the easiest for you. You can play it another way, but this is the easiest for you. So we go like that. Do fa do. Then we go fa do do re. Fa do do re. So that's the next one. Fa 3 times. You are playing that one 3 times. Fa do do re. So we are playing that one, fa, then 2, do, re. So like that. So let's take it from here. Do, fa, do. Then fa, do, re. So do, 3 times, do, fa, do. Then fa, 3 times, fa, do, re. Then we now come to the end. Do, fa, do, so, do. Fa, do, so, do. So let's take it all over again. So do, like that. 2, do, fa, so, do, fa, so, do, so, fa, so, fa, la, so, fa, la, so, fa, fa, do, do, then do, fa, do, fa, do, re, fa, do, so, do. It's just simple. It's just do, fa, so, do, fa, so. This one is simple for you. Can use other substitution for re, and you can use other substitution, but this is the easiest you can play. So let's go all together. Do do fa fa so so do so fa so la so fa la so fa fa do do fa do fa do re fa do so do fa so do fa do fa do re fa do so do. I hope you get it. You can slow the video down or pause it so that you get it correctly. Do fa so do. That is one, and then the second one is so do so fa so, and then the third one la so fa la so fa la so fa. Then we have fa do Then somebody can decide to play fa do fa mi, but you play the fa do. Then we have the next one do fa do. Three times do fa do fa do fa do re fa do so do. So now let's play all together and see how they sound. Guys, thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful to you, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if it was very fast. Let me know in the comment section if it was very slow. Let me know in the comment section if it was helpful. Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe again if you have not done so. Hit that notification bell and like this video. Leave your comment below and I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Now, thank you so much and have fun. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.